Which classic crime heroines are you inspired by when honing your own role for Bones?
Well, there's of course Policewoman. There's Angie Dickinson, who's amazing, and I always think of Wonder Woman growing up. I know that she was not really living in our real world, but she was a crime solver and a heroine and a strong female character that I looked up to as a little girl, and so that's what I would go with. I did get pulled over once, and I've never gotten a ticket for speeding, and just because I said that now I feel like I'm going to get a ticket. I should knock on something. But I got pulled over in Oregon when I was visiting my grandma, and it was, in my defense, there's a place where you could drive it's like 50 miles an hour, then 20 miles an hour, then it's 40 miles an hour, and it's like in a mile it changes 5 times. And the guy pulled me over, and I was like excited to be pulled over because I'd never been pulled over. I was like, I'm getting pulled over. I was so excited. Like, I didn't know that I'd driven over the speed limit. I was like, I'm not from here. And the guy was like, I know. My wife watches your show. And he didn't give me a ticket.